are back with our template staircase, and today we're going to be cutting the risers, which is the first thing you want to be doing when cladding your staircase. Now Martin is back and he's already pre-cut this riser, and if you take a look here you can just see that cut in that riser there, and we've kept the other one straight that just fits nicely into that joint. If you touch that there, yeah, that's a nice fit. That Martin's going to prop the other one in just like so. Nice fit again. Now let's measure and cut the next one. So before we cut that, we want to measure that space for the riser. Now Martin did go to measure in the middle there because this is a new template staircase, but if it's an older staircase, which most are, you're more likely to get more worn, more wear and tear from the middle of that tread there. So from an older staircase, it's probably best to get your measurements from the end. So now we've transferred our height measurement to the riser. We'll just make a couple of markings there for us to cut. Now obviously there are many techniques for us to cut, and that would come down to your joiner's preference. Now you can use a handsaw, but on a mid-range level you could use a jigsaw or even a track saw for your more experienced joiner. Now the next stage is obviously we're going to cut our riser's width, and you can do this by getting the measurements by using one of our template tools that we see here. And you can see the link for this product in the description or on our website. Now this is a nice easy tool to use because it's very simple to use. You put it against your existing riser just like so to get the accurate measurement of the width, and then you can tighten the nuts in the middle when you've got the accurate measurement. And when we've got our measurement, we can take it back over to our riser. You just have to remember that left and right hand side, and just make sure the corners of that template are in the corner of the treads, just so you can get the accurate measurement reading. So now our riser's cut, we've cut the left hand and the right hand side. Let's just see if we've cut it to size. Now that looks like a nice fit there. Next up we have our riser for the bottom tread, which is obviously our bullnose, and in this circumstance you're probably going to want to use a jigsaw to cut the height, and then we just need to cut the ends of our riser. Now that's all cut, and that's a nice easy finish. If you liked that video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can join us in the next video where we'll be installing our steps cladding. My name's Kieran, I'll get you next time.